Hi friends, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. How are you all? Today I am going to show what I have got from Ikea. Already I did my shop with me Ikea tour. If you want to see that one, I will leave a link in the description box down below. These are all the things I got from Ikea. Few things. I've got four dinner plates and bowls and small size spice boxes, wooden hangers, utensil holder, whisk, two sizes of whisk, and juice glasses, coffee mugs, flower vase, chopping board, storage box, and chair for my kid. If you like my video, please hit a like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for coming here and watching this video. Thank you.